Hello everyone, myself Devyanshi Pandey. I'm a student of law at Guru Ghasidas Vishwavidyalaya, Bilaspur, Chhattisgarh and currently interning at UB Advocate. Here today I'm going to discuss about can husband claim maintenance from his wife in India or not. So to address this question, we should have to understand what the term maintenance means. So what is the meaning of maintenance? Maintenance is nothing, just a provision or related to necessity or essentials to sustain our life. There are various laws are enacted in India to ensure that wives are provided with maintenance, such as Criminal Procedure Code, Divorce Act, Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act. But however, only Hindu Marriage Act 1955 is the act which contains provisions related to maintenance of both the spouse, husband as well as wife. So what was the purpose of adding this type of provision in this act? So the main or basic purpose is to provide support to both the spouse who don't have or who don't have independent source of income, or we can say who is incapable of maintaining himself or herself. So as we got to know that this is the only act, Hindu Marriage Act is only act which contain such provisions related to maintenance of husband also, so is applicable only on Hindus. But there are certain conditions or circumstances, we can say, which must be fulfilled at the time when husband wants to have maintenance from his wife. These are: the wife should be a working woman. It doesn't matter he is on a public or a private job, but she should be a working woman. And second, at the same time, husband has no independent source of income or is incapable of earning money due to his physical or mental illness. Kanchan versus Kamlend AIR 1993 is the case of Bombay, in which Supreme Court observed that Section 24 of Hindu Marriage Act 1955 is not only dealing with the maintenance to the wife but also provide right to the husband to seek maintenance from his wife also. So in this, court observed that if husband is able to demonstrate that he is unable to earn money or is incapable of maintaining himself, then he can also claim maintenance from his wife. But at the same time, if husband is able-bodied and is claiming compensation only because of his business loss, then no maintenance is granted to him. So the conclusion of this video is, husband can claim maintenance from his wife only when he can demonstrate to the court that he has no independent source of income